So as you can see in the video above, this is creation of handle ongoing. This is creation of handle ongoing machine. Everything we produce is new and authentic. So it will be an honor to supply you, depending on which of them you want, be it the punching machine or any other machine of your choice. Mavis Polythene got you covered. As you can see here, the jack has been fixed already, ready for creation of handle. You use the jack handle to help put pressure on the nylon, like he's doing right now. You keep pumping it, it will be becoming tighter. The more he pump it, it will be getting more tight for the creation of that handle. So the sharp teeth of the blade itself will help to create that handle on the machine. Just watch what he's doing. So you continue that way until the nylon is well perforated to get the desired handle creation on the nylon. So just keep watching. So you keep doing this until the cut is neatly done. In this, we are just doing a sample with big black. This blade is for small black with hand, not big black. So it's just a sample on how to use the manual machine that is being displayed here. How to use the punching machine, sorry about that. Alright. See, the handle has been created. So this is for small black with hand. So we just use big black to show a sample on how to use it for the creation of handle, depending on the quantity you want. So once you are done with the creation of handle, you will still loosen it again. You do that by turning the jack button leftward in order to release it from the way it's being tightened up during the course of creating the handle. That will be shown. Just watch. You see, just take it leftward. It will lessen down. With that, you'll be able to remove your jack. When you pump it again, it will go up. You tighten it while you pump by taking it rightwards. Alright, when you want to loosen it, you take it leftward as shown in the video above. You see, it will lessen by itself once you just open it leftward.